Hi everyone, welcome back to the Auto Horizon. Today, we are diving into the Citroën 2CV is back in 2025 with a stunning reimagination of the classic design that made it an icon. Staying true to its roots, this modern take on the legendary French car combines vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, creating a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. At first glance, the 2025 Citroën 2CV pays homage to the original with its unmistakable silhouette, round headlights, and minimalist charm. However, under the hood, it's a completely different story. Citroën has introduced an electric powertrain, offering a quiet, smooth, and eco-friendly driving experience. With an estimated range of 250 miles on a single charge, the new 2CV is designed for both city driving and countryside adventures. The interior is where classic simplicity meets modern convenience. The dashboard retains its retro charm but now features a digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system. The signature rollback fabric roof remains, giving drivers the joy of open-air motoring with a simple pull. Comfortable, lightweight seats provide a relaxing ride, keeping the spirit of the original 2CV alive. Performance-wise, the electric motor delivers instant torque, making the car surprisingly quick for a city commuter. While it won't break any speed records, the 2CV is all about the driving experience: smooth, effortless, and enjoyable. The lightweight design ensures excellent efficiency, and regenerative braking helps maximize battery life. Citroën has also equipped the new 2CV with modern safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. This means drivers get the best of both worlds: classic styling with 21st century security. The 2025 Citroën 2CV isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who appreciate history but embrace the future. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or a newcomer to its charm, this modern reincarnation is bound to win hearts. Would you drive the new Citroën 2CV? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car reviews with a modern twist.